Hello. Sir, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, last class we discussed diagram, actually, direct graph. Yeah. So, diagram is what? Now, one to one is what?
Excuse me, sir.
So, this is fast reflex means what? One to one means what? One loop you are done, one to two means one direction shown, and two to three another direction. This is what direct graph. Next we go for the Hasse diagram. See, Hasse diagram is what more refined form of the diagram. Such diagram is what you have to show edges for all edges and all directions. Hasse diagram, no need to show. It's three ways we can follow. Just you can note, and just you can listen. Hasse diagram will work for partial ordering. Partial ordering already we decided. Partial ordering is what reflexive is what diagram has a loop set all vertices. We need not show the loops. So we don't loop. Just put the point and there is no need to show the loop for the Hasse diagram. Next, suppose partial ordering is as a transitive. 1 to 2, 2 to 3 means what? 1 to 3 also you have to show. In diagram, what you will show 1 to 2, 2, 3 means what? 1 to 3 also will show, suppose if relation is there. But in Hasse diagram, no need to show. But one straight line, if you should draw in after that, I will give you note. First, you can listen one by one. 1, 2, 3. Then you have to do 1, 2, 3. This is diagram. But in Hasse diagram, no need to draw the again 1, 2, 3 is understanding. Only always in Hasse diagram direction should be upward direction only. What you are showing is always understanding upward direction. No need to give the direction, no need to do the loops. So we assume all edges directed upward. So then one problem we can see, one example I will give you. For example, let us consider the Hasse diagram the free partial ordering A comma B, A less than or equal to B. All of the elements A comma B, that is A less than or equal to B. This is the relation confirmed. Then one set B is given, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you draw the diagram, what you will get? See, always you can try to draw the smallest number I told you. So 1 is what? 1 to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Then is what? 2 is less than 1, 3 is less than 1, 4 is less than 1. Then 1 is less than 3. We have to draw this. Then next what you do? 1 is less than 4. You have to, then loops also you have to, loops also there. Then another relation what you will get? 2 less than or equal to 4. Correct. So loops are there, direction also there. 2 is less than or just like it. 3 less than 4 less than direction given. Then 1 less than 2 less than 4. 2 less than 3 also is already direction given. 1 less than 3, 1 less than 4. These times. Now what I am telling you, in Hasse diagram, no need to draw the loops. Just you can omit the loop. What you get? In one stroke you can run this one by one we are shown. But always you can start with small. So you can go with the loops there. Then what you get is 1, 2, 3, 4. If you go with the loops, means what you get actually 1 to 4 you will get. Then 2 to 3 you will get. Then 1 to 4 you will get 2 to 3. So 2 to 3 is there. 2 to 4 you will get. Then 1 to 3 you will get. Wait. Two less than or equal to 1, 3 less than or equal to 4 less than this. Now I am omitting the loops. Now next what you are trying, 1 is less than or equal to 4, satisfying. Then 1 is less than or equal to 3, satisfying. Then 2 also less than or equal to 4, 2 less than or equal to 3, then 2, 4 equal to. Now from this figure to this figure what I did actually refine, I removed the loops. Then what is telling actually if the straight line is enough, then this also you can remove. So understanding is what if you draw, now remove the loops. Because 1 to 2, 2 to 3 is what it understanding 1 to 3. So next, but no need to do all these steps. But for first time understanding I am telling you. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's obviously understand. 2 less than or equal to 1, 3 less than or equal to 2, 4 less than or equal to 2, 4 less than, 3 less than or equal to 4, then 2 less than or equal to 4, that is 1 less than or equal to 2. So relation is what? Always is understand. Next what you will do, remove this also, this arrow marks also you can remove. So more refined form in one straight line it will tell the whole story. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Hasse diagram based with what? Partial RDZ. So actually, if you draw the, if they ask diagram means what? Direct graph means what? You have to show all these things. But if they ask Hasse diagram means what? This one thing is enough. Getting or not? Already yesterday in one class we given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 something I given. That problem also you can check out. Next. Terminology related to course actually maximal element, minimal element. This that also can see. Understanding that is okay. So course is what sort of Hasse diagram is what more refined form. From the diagram means what a very direction how to show. Direct graph means. Hasse diagram not required. If you know means what is understanding 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 related. Then 2 to 3 related, 2 to 4. It's not inside the line like this, 3 not 4. That diagram I will don't know. Next, coset. Sequence. How do you is the argument between these parts? If maximal is not minimal, A is the argument. And like A P is called A less than P is called a maximal member of P. There is no element P belongs to P such that there is no element P belongs to P such that A is the argument. Similarly, an element PA belongs to P is minimal element of P means what there is no element P belongs to P such that P. So If you say this is the maximal element is what, more than that you don't get. Sometimes you get more than 2 elements also. Then if you say minimal element is what, that is the very least element. So always acid diagram start from the minimal element and draw the upward direction. Suppose this, if you see some diagrams easy, you can find out from these diagrams what is the minimal element, what is the maximal element is. Minimal elements are what? A comma B. Maximal elements is what? D comma B. So what do we say? A related to C, then B, C, A, D, then C, D, C, D, E D also there. Similarly, B, C, then B, D. So minimal element is what here? A comma B. Maximal element D comma E. Similarly, this diagram you can say from this diagram. Tell what is the maximal element, what is the minimal element. Sorry, I am not doing it. Let us. What are the minimal elements? What is the maximal elements? Now, your relation, how can you say? AC is there, AD is there, CD is there. Similarly, BC, CD. AD is not there, then BD also there. So now I can say which is the minimal element, which is the maximal element. Tell me. Are you there or not, are you people? Who are the minimal elements? Second diagram.
A comma C.
A comma C. Check.
A comma B.
Maximal element.
C comma D.
Oh. Last element only, D only.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can see. Now from this relation, how can you say AD, BD, AD, BC, AC? But C and D is not there. Now who is the minimal element, who is the maximal element? Thought diagram.
So minimum is A.
Very good. Maximal?
C and D.
Very good. Good. Then only one by only answering, remaining what I don't know. This from fourth diagram you see who is the minimal element, who is the maximal element.
Sir, A minimum, D maximum.
Very good. A is the minimal element, D is the maximal element. Then last class already one problem, one diagram we drawn actually, remember or not? Diagram. From there we can try to get actually Hasse diagram. This already we completed last class. Check. Draw the diagram representing the partial ordering A comma B. A divides B. Means what? B by A will be This is what B by A, if you take one, it may be 0, such a way you can choose. This already we done. A comma B, such that A plus B on this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reduce to Hansi diagram. Last class we had done actually diagram,
Yes, sir.
direct graph. From direct graph, you can reduce to Hansi diagram. First, we again I will draw the diagram. Check. Copy run. Already text is there. Just again I will amend for the diagram. Then 1 to 4. And loops also there. It needs lot of calculation and not drawing the loops. So because 1, 2, 1, 2, that 5 is there. So that's why I'm taking as a diagram you can draw. Now you can, from this you can develop the acid diagram. Acid diagram will do always upward direction only. Start with minimum element, reach to maximum element. Right now. See 1 to 7 is there, 1 to 5, 1 to 3, 1 to 6, 1 to 1, 4, 1 8 again. From this if you see me from 2 to always upward direction, 2 to 4, 2 to 8. Then 3 to 6. And then again, then 4 to 8. So example, certain notes I will send you. Then next is what watchlist algorithm, closure transfer. This one diagram I will do, which I will find out this. They will ask actually, using watchlist algorithm, find the closure transitive. First, they will define the relation. Just listen. Don't comment on it. Equal to 1, 2, 3. Relation also they define R is equal to 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 4, 4. Now, this relation you can see in matrices form. How many rows, how many columns will you get if you write matrices form? Tell me. Frame in matrices form. The relation you can represent in matrices form past. How many rows and how many columns will you get? Are you there or not? Hello?
Sir,
How many rows, how many columns will you get?
4 rows, 4 columns.
Very good. Frame first actually already I told you 1, 2, 3, 4 means partition, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 with pencil. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Frame the matrices. Okay. Now 1, 1 is there actually. 1, 1 is there or not?
Yes, sir.
So that element give right. Always in matrix business you will do all 1 or 0. So 1, 1, 2 is there. 1, 2 is there.
No.
So what we get? No means.
0.
Very good. 1, 3,
1. Yes, yes.
1, 4.
1.
Very good. 2, 1,
0.
2, 2,
1.
2, 3,
0.
2, 4,
0.
3, 1,
0.
3, 2,
0.
3, 3,
0.
3, 4.
1.
Very good. Then 4, 1,
1.
4, 2,
0.
4, 3,
0.
4, 4.
0.
Super. Thank you. Now watch this algorithm is what? This is the relation matrix relation. This you can write at the initial stage, WR. Then I want to go first stage. First stage, next second stage, how many stages I will tell you. Then the state you can, first you can note down this relation. First, you're finding closed trans 2 using the watchlist algorithm is what? First you can frame the matrices. Then from there I will tell you how to attack. First, So frame the table. How you do this one? This is relation you can take W naught as same here and 1 check correct answer 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 Now we can frame the table in WK minus 1 then new position on the left. Okay. See, this is I am choosing as a W naught. Now K is equal to 1 means what I want to write in actually can write K is equal to 1. K is equal to 1 means what? WK minus 1 what you get W naught. In first column how many bits position is ones are there is in this is 1 in WK minus 1. In new positions of 1 in WK, this WK matrix I will form here. Don't worry. Now you can tell me I am starting my initial matrix as a W naught. See, K is equal to 1 means what? This is I am telling K minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So initial status I will start. Now tell in W naught, in first column, where I am standing, ones are there. Positions. One position in which place are there? In W naught, first column, where is the one position? 1, 2, 3, 4 number I am giving. This that 1, 2, 3, 4 means always don't exceed 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe they give 6, 10, 20, 25. So according to this position is what 1, 2, 3, 4. Because of not 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix number is 1, 2, 3, 4. In relation the sets are set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose ABC means what ABC I will write. According to my matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. So in first position where I am having actually ones, tell me. In W naught, in first column where I am having ones. Suppose if it is ABCD means what I will ask in which place ABCD I will ask. So in A position if you have A I can give. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 means what? Where I am having actually. I understand you are not. Hello. See, we don't confuse this 1, 2, 3, 4. Why can then suppose my set element is ABCD means what? If I do ABCD means what? ABCD. AA means what? You write 1. AB means 0, AC means you like 1. So position where I am having at set A place or at B place or at C place, that element you can mention. Because here obviously 1, 2, 3, 4 given, so always don't write 1, 2, 3, 5. That's why I'm insisting. What are the set elements you see? My set elements are what? 1, 2, 3, 4. At one first column, in which place I am having 1?
1, 1.
Hey, that is 1, 1 don't tell. Position you can tell it 1 and another.
4.
Very good. You can frame one another set actually. 1, 4. Don't tell 1, 1. Set 1 position at 4th position. Correct? Now we can write here 1, 4. In W naught, I am having ones in first column is what? At 1 place, at 4th place. This 1, 2, 3, 4, don't confuse. What I am telling, suppose if it is A, B, C, D means what? How you will write A, comma, D, you can write. Reaching or not?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
if it is 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40 means what? At 20, 40 you can write. So, because of this order nicely 1, 2, 3, 4 coming, every time don't write 1, 2, 3, the whole thing collapse. Always, here you should get always inside set what are the elements, that element should have to bring out. Now clear or not? What elements you are writing, that should be inside the set. Always don't expect 1, 2, 3, 4 because obviously my set containing 1, 2, 3, 4, nicely I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. Then first row.
1, 3, and 4.
Very good. So, no confusion. Now, frame the relation now. How you will make new position? 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 4. You can add 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 4. Reaching or not? Using these two sets, again frame the relation. Now write new relation. Come on. Tell me.
1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 4.
1, 3.
1, 4.
Next.
4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 4.
Now what is the story starts? See always W naught. In W naught, where is the ones that one replace? Suppose any new ones here comes. Already 1 is there. Reaching or not? 1, 3 also is there, 1, 4 also is there. 4, 1 is there. But 4, 3 is not there. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
4, 4. The old ones you can replace, but suppose if we can, with the old ones you can add the new ones also. Am I confusing?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
making any confusion? See the W naught, where are the ones you can write, then new ones also you can add. That is the beauty actually. Getting or not? Any problem? Say yes or no.
No.
No voice. Okay or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, old positions you can write as these. Then rather than that you can add the new positions. Come on. Now tell me matrix you can tell me here.
One, 0, 1, 1.
Very good. 1, 0.
1, 1.
Next. With the 2,
0,
no, I
1.
think so. With there is 2, no relation. Blindly what is there you can write.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
With the 3 also no relation. Blindly what is there you can write. Reaching or not?
Yes.
Then, because already 1, 4 is there, 1, 3 is there, so no need. Now, with the 3 no filler is there, 3 as is, that row I will bring down here. So 0, 0, 1. Then now story will start. 4, 1 is there also 4, 1 is there. Write 1. Then 4, 2 not there, here also not there, 4, 3 is there. So here 1, 1 will come. Correct or not? Then 4,
Yes, sir.
4. Then 4, 4 is what?
0.
But here,
1.
very good. Now this is K is equal to 1 is what? This fellow is W1. The new fellow is what? W1. Now K is equal to 2 means what? K is equal to 2 minus Wk minus 1 means what? I want to write the matrix from W1. Where is my W1? This fellow is my W1. Correct? Now W1, what you will do? Now you can take second row, second column you can take. Don't only first row, first story over. Again, if you do how many times same story you get. Then you can take second row, second column. 2 means second row, second column. In second row, where is the 1?
1,
Column
2.
you can see. In second column, where is 1 place?
2.
Very good. Only 2. Any place? Then second row?
2.
2. Now, the setup already is what? 2, 2. Already 2, 2 is there. The same fellow you can write. Any doubt?
No.
Then matrix is what? 2, 2 I want to write. Remaining alls are, I suppose if ones are there. Already obviously top matrix 2, 2 is there. Same thing you can write. Come on, first tell me.
1, 0, 1, 1.
1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now come on. Now you can see third row, third column. Then third row, where is the 1 in it? What element it shows 1? In third row, what element showing 1?
Sir, 1 and 4.
Tell me.
1, 4. Third column.
Okay. Third row. Third at 3 position. Third column. Now, the third column we have to tell. Sorry. Third column is
Yeah.
1. Sorry. Wait. In third column, where I stand in 1 position? 1 only can write.
Sir, 4.
Right? Third column I am talking. First column, see, positions, one same column, positions, one same rows. Correct?
Sir, we'll check W3, right? Sir, in W3, 4 is also there in column. Third column.
Yeah. Thank you. Come on. Right. Thanks. So, thank you, sir. I'm seeing W0. Thank you very much. Then, third row.
4.
Very good. Thank you, sir. Now, frame the relation.
One 4 and 4 4.
Very good. 1 4 4 4. With 1 4 already there, with 4 4 is there. The same fellow you can bring down. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Same thing if you bring down this, what will you tell me? 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Then 1 0 1 1. Now, third story also over. Actually, I got W1, W2, W3. I am coming to fourth row, fourth column. If I go fourth row, fourth column, from W3, I will start the story. In fourth position, I am telling you. Because my elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, you know. Always you can see that this 1, 2, 3, 4. From this one, I will start. Now, fourth row, fourth column. Fourth row, where I am standing ones are there, tell me.
1, 3, and 4.
1,
3, 4.
come on, Vijay Kumar, Vijay Kumar. Eating an anime. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, mic, not mic, no camera, sorry. Now come on. Tell me now in fourth row.
1, 3, and
come on.
4.
In fourth, sorry, first I want to say fourth column. Confusing lot again. In the fourth
1,
column,
3.
where is the one stands?
1, 3, 4.
Very good. In fourth row, who is standing one? Where is standing one?
1, 3, 4.
Very good. Now frame the relation 1 1 1 3 1 4 3 1 3 3 3 4 4 1 4 3 4 4. Correct? Come on.
Yes, sir.
1 1 1 3 1 4 3 1 3 3 3 4 4 1 4 3 4 4. Now already 1 1 is there, 1 3 is there, 1 4 is there. In first row, no problem. Then with the 2 no relation, as T you can write. With 3 is there, yeah, 3 stories starting. 3 1 is there, 3 3 is there, 3 4 is there. So first row, second row, no change. Correct?
Yes,
1
sir.
0 1 1. So with the 2 no element is with me. Because if I have 2 1 2 2 means I can speak. But already 1 is there, that one I will take it for granted. So 0 1 0 0. Next, with the 3 you can see 3 1 is there. But previous 3 1 is what? 0. So 1 3 2 is not there. 0 as C is correct. Then 3 3 is there. 1. Then 3 4 you can write 1. 3 4 obviously is there, no problem. Then 4 1 4 3 4 4. Old fellows retain. So the trans to close relation if they ask. Reaching using watchless algorithm means what? Like this you can write. So given initial matrix, you can start with 0, W0, watchless algorithm, 0 start, then you can write how many questions. That 1, 2, 3, don't confuse with 1, 2, 3. Here my elements are 1, 2, 3, so I have taken 1, 2, 3. Suppose if it is A, B, C, D means what? Instead of 1, 2, 3, you can write A, comma D. A, C, D. So don't expect always you will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Because textbook 1, 2, 3 example is good, this I started with. This you can start with the same element, you can write the A, B, C, D is what? Here you will get A, C, A, B, D, A, D, C, D, D like this you will get. So don't confuse always because first term is 1, 2, 3, 4. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, so I taken 1, 2, 3, 4. Reaching. So I hope this set story over. Somewhat this dry subject as I don't like this subject. This week. Anyway, we have to. Then next class we maybe do functions. Next class I will complete. Then we want to take another 2 extra classes. I will tell you before my cycle test 1, 2 I take. I Saturday, Sunday we fix it. From my home I will take. Okay. Now give me attendance 569.
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71, 72,
Present, sir. 572.
73.
Sir, in the chat box.
Don't sir, I am having so many instruments, laptop somewhere and somewhere, my mobile stand somewhere, my textbook somewhere, where I will see. What, which number you put it in chat box?
573.
573, okay. 74?
Sir,
Yes,
571 present.
Okay, good. 75?
Present, sir.
If anyone see chat box, tell me. 77?
Present, sir.
Sir,
78.
576.
Okay. 78,
578 present, sir.
79. Chat box. Huh? That's 71 chat box. 80. 580. Not there, huh? 80. 81.
Present, sir.
82.
Present, sir.
Hello?
Present. 82.
83.
Present, sir.
83.
Present, sir.
84.
84 not there, sir.
84.
85 present.
86.
Present, sir.
87. 88.
Present, sir.
88.
Present, sir.
89.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
90. 91.
Present, sir.
92.
Present, sir.
93.
Present, sir.
94.
Present, sir.
95.
Present, sir.
96.
Let's just stop there, sir.
97. 98.
Present, sir.
99.
Present, sir.
600.
Present, sir.
1.
Not there, sir.
2.
Present.
3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6. 606. 7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11. Where are you? 11. 12.
611 present,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Present, sir.
I'm making some mimicry, sir. Not voice sending. Okay. 12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16. 17.
Sir, 17 present, sir. 617.
16? 16 I want to write. 18?
Sir, 17 present, sir. 617
17
present.
okay, sir. 17 okay. 18?
Present, sir.
19? 20?
Sir, 20 present.
21?
Present, sir.
22?
Present, sir.
23?
Present, sir.
24?
Present, sir.
25? 26?
Yes, sir.
27?
Present, sir.
28?
Present, sir.
29?
Present, sir.
30?
Present, sir.
31?
Present, sir.
32?
Present, sir.
33?
Sir, 607
32
present,
last
sir.
time, right?
Yes,
32
sir.
33? 32 is last
No.
number. Okay.
Yeah. Sir, 607
Okay,
present,
last
sir.
Huh?
607, sir, present.
What are you doing up to now?
Sir, I replied to you, sir. You didn't
Okay,
answer.
okay.
Yeah.
No one
Six,
needs.
not 6.
Present, done.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Sir, 619 present, sir.
very good. Next. 616, 590, 597. Okay, bye.